My dear student, welcome to my channel Math Cures. Today I want to discuss the next portion of chapter 5 about percentage. You see, I also clarify total percentage problem in two parts, given part and calculating part. You see, question number 3. A painter paints 240 square feet of a wall. If this is 48% of the total wall surface, what is the area of the wall in square feet? My dear student, you see, given part and another is calculating part. Given portion, you see, a painter paints 240 square feet. 240 square feet. 240 square feet wall. Paint 240 square feet wall paint. If this is 48%, this is also 48%. Calculate what is the total surface area of the wall. Total surface of the wall. You know, 240 square feet of wall is 48%. We know that 48 square feet wall is out of 100 square feet. Am I clear? As this is 48%, 48% means 48 by 100. So we know that 48 square feet wall is out of 100 square feet. Similarly, 1 square feet wall is out of, it is less, 1 square feet wall is less than 100, so 100 divided by 48 square feet wall. Similarly, two 40 square feet wall is out of 100 divided by 48 into 240 square feet wall. Am I clear? So 4 1 jar, 4 2 jar 8, 4 6 jar 24, 0. 4 3 jar 12, 4 1 jar 4, 4 5 jar 20. Now 3 is also crossed by 3 5 jar 15. So it will be 5 into 100 is equal to square feet is equal to 500 square feet. My dear student, you see the total surface wall, total surface area of wall is 500 square feet. This is the required answer. Am I clear? Next. Question number 4. Question number 4. A. The salary of a person was increased by 15%. In this salary, if his salary now is rupees 9,936, what was his initial salary? What was his initial salary? My dear student, here we also similarly clarify total problem in two parts. Given part and calculating part. You see, given 15% increment, 15% increment. Am I clear? And after increment, the salary, after increment salary. So, increment salary is rupees 9,000 936. What is his initial salary? Initial salary. My dear student, you know 50% increment. The root of this problem is, as 15 is increment, so we also add the increment to the original salary. Then we also get the increment salary. You know, am I clear? As 15% increment is also occurred here, so we add 15 with the original salary. As 15%, we know 15% increment means $100 plus 15 rupees is equal to 115 rupees. You see, 15% increment means rupees 100 plus 15 is equal to 115 rupees. So 115 rupees increment salary, then initial will be rupees 100. Am I clear? As 115 increment salary, then initial will be rupees 100. Likewise, 1 rupees increment salary, then initial will be rupees 100 divided by, it is less, as 1 it will be less than 100, so it is divided by 150 as usual. Similarly, rupees 9,936, 9,936 rupees increment salary, then initial will be rupees 100 divided by 115 into 9,936. Am I clear? So you see 100 divided by 115 into 9,936. If we crossed 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 5 2s are 10, 0. We also divide 9,936 by 23. 4s are 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 in hand is 9, 7 8 9, 73, 2 3s are 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 4 6. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. You see, this is also the number 432. 432. Therefore, is equal to rupees 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 0. Rupees 8,640. Therefore, the initial salary of that person is rupees 8,640. This is the required answer. My dear student, you see, it is first of all clarify in two parts, this part and another this part. Then we also calculate the required answer. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. My dear student, you see, in a co-educational school, 45% of the total students are girls. If there are 440 boys in the school, find the number of girls in the school. What is the number? How many girls are there in the school? You see that given part, given part 45% total student, 45% girls. If there are total student for 440, No, if there are 440 boys, 440 boys, find the number of girls. Number of girls. My dear student, 45% girls in that school. Now we also first calculate the number of boys, because here is given the total number of boys. Am I clear? So how many percent the boys are in that school? We also first calculate this required part. You see, we know 45% girls in that school. So number of boys are 100 minus 45% is equal to 55%. Am I clear? 55% are boys in that school. So now 55 total number of boys is also here. 55 number of boys out of 100 number of boys. Am I clear? You see, 55% means 55 number of boys out of 100 number of boys. So one number of boys out of 100 divided by 55 as usual number of boys, and 440 number of boys out of 100 divided by 55 into 440 number of boys. 11 5s are 11, 4s are 0, 5 8s are 40 is equal to 800. 800, sorry, 55 number of boys out of 100 number of, number of students, sorry, I am very sorry my dear student, here is mistake, number of student, STU, number of student. Am I clear? 55 number of boys out of 100 number of students, because it is 55%. Am I clear? So 440 number of boys out of 800 students, 800 number of students. Therefore, number of girls of the school are 800 minus 440. Am I clear? Is equal to 063. This is the number of girls. Number of girls of the school are 360. Am I clear? Next. Question number 6. A potato seller sells 70% of the total potatoes and still has 150 potatoes left with him. Find the weight of potatoes he had originally. Means at the first time how many potatoes were of the person were stocked in his godown. Am I clear? A potato seller, again, a potato seller sells 70% of the total potatoes and still has 150 kg potatoes left with him. Find the weight of potatoes he had originally. My dear student, you see, given part and calculating part. Seventy percent sales. 70% sales total potatoes and now still has 150 kg potato left. 150 kg potato left. Total potato. Am I clear? 70% sales. My dear student, the root of the problem is here. This is lifting potato weight. So we calculate first the lifting percent of potato. Lift percent of potato. You see, 70% sales. Now, lift percent potato will be 100 minus 70. This percent is equal to 30%. Am I clear? Am I clear? This is easy. Lift percent potato is 30 as lift weight of the potato is given here 150. Now we know 30 kg is lift out of 100 kg potato. Am I clear? Next, 1 kg is lift out of 100 divided by 30. It is less, so it will be divided. Next, 150 kg is lift out of 100 divided by 30 into 150. Am I clear? Kg potato is equal to 0, 0, 3 5s are is equal to 500 kg. Therefore, the weight of total potato will be 500 kg. This is the required answer. Next, question number 7. In Rohan's birthday party, 90% of his friends came and 3 friends did not come. Find the total number of friends Rohan has. My dear student, you see, Rohan's birthday party, 90% friends came. 90%. You see, 90%. 90% present. Am I clear? Next, number 3 friends. Absent. Am I clear? What will be the total friends? Number of friends. Number of friends. My dear student, present 90%. As before. Similarly, as before, absent is number of 3 friends. So, first of all, we also calculate number of absent friend percent. We know 90% present. So, absent friend percent, absent friend 100 minus 90% is equal to 30%. It is too easy. So, 30 number friends are absent out of 100 number friends. Am I clear? 1 number friends are absent out of 100 divided by 30 number friends, and 3 number friends are absent out of 100 by 30 into 3 number friends. 3, my dear student, 3 numbers here. Sorry. Absent 7 total, and 3 friends are not come. Yes, 3 number of friends. Rohan. Yes, 3 number of friends is absent. You see, 90% is present, so absent will be 100 minus 90 is equal to, it is 2 mistake, my dear student. You see, 100 minus 90, it will be 10%. My dear student, I am very unhappy to tell this. It is 10%. Sorry. 10 number friends are absent out of this divided by 10. Sorry, too much, sorry. 10 into 3. So 0 and 0 is also crossed. Number of friends will be 30. I am very sorry. Friends. Therefore, number of friends will be 30. This will be the required result. Next. Question 8. In a quiz competition, Robbie gave answers of 70%. My dear student, mindly you see these problems are actually similar to each other. Next, in a quiz competition, Robbie gave answers of 70% of the questions, means total questions. He failed to give answers of 6 questions. Find the total number of questions asked in the quiz competition. My dear student, you see, Robbie gave answers of 70%. He also gave 70% answers. Am I clear? And he failed to give the answers of 6 questions. 6 number of question is failed. What was the total number of questions? Total number of questions. Total number of questions. My dear student, Robbie gave 70% answer. Failed 6. 6 number of question is failed. Now, failed person will be 100 minus 70. Am I clear? Is equal to 30%. Robbie failed to give the answer 30% only. So, 30 question, number 30 question failed. Answer out of 100 question. Am I clear? Number 30 question failed to answer out of 100 question. One question failed to answer out of 100 divided by 30 question. But he failed number of 6. You see, my dear student, it is the reason to calculate the required answer. 6 question failed to answer out of 100 divided by 30 into 6. Am I clear? 6 number of question. You see, 6 5 jar 30, 5 2 jar 10, 0 is equal to 20. Therefore, total number of question will be 20. This is the required result. Next, question number 9. My dear student, you see, out of a class of 40 students, 5 were absent. 30% of the remaining had failed to do homework. Find the number of students who did the homework. My dear student, you see, out of a class of 45 students, 5 were absent. Given total student 45. Absent student is equal to 5. 5 were absent. 30% of remaining had failed to homework. Failed to homework 30%. Now calculating portion is number of student who does homework. Number of student who does homework. My dear student, you see, total student is 45. Absent student number of 5. So, present students are 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. Am I clear? Present students are 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. You see, fail to homework 30%. So, failed to homework 30% means 30 failed out of 100. Am I clear? So number of students failed for homework is equal to 30 divided by 100 into 40. Am I clear? This is crossed, this is crossed, is equal to 12 students. Am I clear? 12 students is failed to do their homework. Therefore,